Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss gut health, a subject that's crucial for general well-being. Immunity, mental health, and digestion are all significantly impacted by the health of your gut. Now let's look at some quick and simple ways to maintain a happy and healthy stomach. Trillions of microorganisms make up our gut microbiome, which is surprisingly important to our general health and well-being. It has an impact on immunity, mood, digestion, and even skin health. Thus, the secret to feeling our best is to keep our gut pleased. The good news is that you can enhance the health of your gut by taking many simple steps. Tip 1. Eat a balanced diet. The first piece of advice is all about what you consume. It's important to have a balanced diet full of healthy grains, fruits, vegetables, and fiber. Apples, broccoli, legumes, and oats are excellent sources of nutrients for your gut's beneficial bacteria. These foods are high in prebiotics, which are essential for the growth of healthy bacteria. Tip 2. Eat more fiber. Our gut bacteria love fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy gut as it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your digestive system. Aim to consume a variety of fiber-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Aim for around 25 grams daily. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds for a fiber-packed breakfast. Third tip, include probiotics. Live helpful bacteria or probiotics can aid in reestablishing the equilibrium of your gut flora. Fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kombucha, kefir, and yogurt contain them. For an extra probiotic boost, add a spoonful of sauerkraut to your meals or start your day with a yogurt that is high in probiotics, microbes beneficial to your digestive tract. Adding these to your diet can help balance the good bacteria in your gut and improve digestion. Probiotic pills can be an excellent choice if your diet isn't providing enough of them, even though food sources are preferred. Consult your physician for advice. Tip 4. Control your stress. Prolonged stress can harm your digestive system by upsetting the delicate balance of intestinal flora, causing inflammation and triggering conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Engage in stress-relieving practices such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing techniques to manage your stress levels and promote gut health. Tip 5. Regular exercise. Frequent exercise is good for your intestines in addition to your heart and muscles. Engaging in physical activity has the potential to modify the makeup of gut bacteria and boost gut motility. Even a daily 30-minute walk can make a big difference, or try to get in at least 30 minutes of moderate intense activity. A word of caution. Before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Tip 6. Avoid antibiotics when possible. While antibiotics can save lives, they can destroy beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. Refrain from overusing and always heed medical advice. If you must take antibiotics, consider taking probiotics afterward to replenish your gut flora. Tip 7. Get enough sleep. Gut health depends on getting enough sleep. In order to avoid disrupting the gut flora, try to get 7 to 9 hours of good sleep every night. Create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your room dark, cool, and quiet. Tip 8. Limit processed foods and sugar. Consuming a lot of sugar and processed meals might damage your gut flora. Limit these if you can, and whenever possible, choose natural whole meals. Restricting sugary drinks, processed foods, and sweets is a smart idea because sugar feeds bad gut flora. Your gut will thank you for choosing healthier options. Tip 9. Eat slowly and mindfully. Chew your food well, taking your time. This facilitates digestion and supports the effective breakdown of food in your intestines. Chewing food well facilitates digestion and allows your stomach to signal when you're satisfied. Mindful eating can help prevent overeating and improve your digestion. Tip 10. Stay hydrated. Simple but frequently forgotten is tip number 10. Remain hydrated. Water consumption facilitates better digestion and nutrition absorption. Water consumption is essential for healthy digestion and waste removal. Constipation and an unbalanced gut microbiota might result from dehydration. Hydration keeps everything moving smoothly in your digestive tract. Make sure you drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and keep a reusable water bottle with you. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut, and a happy gut contributes to a healthier you. These are just some starting points. By incorporating these simple tips into your routine, you can make a big difference in your gut health. You can support a healthy gut microbiome and experience a range of benefits, including improved digestion, stronger immunity, and overall well-being. If you're experiencing persistent gut issues, always consult a doctor. But for most people, these tips can be a great way to keep your gut microbiome thriving. Start implementing these tips today and share your experience with us in the comments below. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in your gut health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and comment down below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.